FXBros.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We back. It's Tuesday, 27th. It's Tuesday and it's a news day. We're going to look into that right quick. I do believe we have news. Let's see. I know we have news, so I think, let me see if we have a speech coming out. Check. In 56 minutes, we're durable goods, excluding defense and excluding transportation. Also, so we have three news releases coming out at 7:30, right before the New York Stock Exchange opens. And then we have additional news coming out at 9 a.m., an hour after New York Stock Exchange. That's new home sales. So definitely wanted to see that number. So might have a pretty long ride. We'll see. See how it goes, if we can hold out for 10 a.m. Sad to say, I did not get out of the buys I was in. Still holding buys. I actually added to the position. So if it don't work out, it is what it is. But the buy eventually did break out of that consolidation box we drew last night that we had on the charts. So right now, we're just looking for the news release or anticipation of the news release to be traded into. I'm not going to shut up. So every time, I mean, it's cool to see the days, but I don't need to see that. Chart settings.
Do you love me?
I'm gonna figure this out. Let's see what this hopped on. Good morning. Good morning.
Happy Tuesday. What's up, brother?
What's up, brother? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Trying to get this damn thing on. Yeah, there we go. Had them damn session breaks on that shit. So yeah. See, we finally got that breakout of consolidation.
Finally, I had orders, bro. That was a sweet one.
Uh, yeah, we pretty much stayed in that box the whole time since I drew. Kind of stayed in there and created one of those what they call it? What was it? Like a wedge pattern. As it just consolidated, and then got real tight and it popped out bullish. Right now we retrace back to their resistance, which is turned support. And we're gonna see how we reject off of that. You know. We do, like I said, we do have news coming out in 50 minutes. We're gonna see how price plays into news released. Drop this down. So yeah, it's not really much commentary today until this news release come out. Um, the market is the only action we had was overnight. This bullish push at 9 o'clock. Didn't have any news release that came out yesterday, so that was just maybe an initial sign of what the market is trying to head to. But nonetheless, we did push out of that box and into our area of interest. So that was a great area to take profits if you were in buys. But it could be a scenario where the market is not done because some nice liquidity sitting above there, plus the rest of this price to fill in. So I can still see the bulls pushing it higher, but it'll be a lot riding on the close of this 1 hour candle that we have in 20 minutes. Let's go determine. Let's go determine a lot. Mm. Do me a nice little deposit. Yeah, guys, we got 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We're going to wait for this candle to close. This is a setup for a engulfing scenario. I feel like if it does engulf, it's probably gonna be short lived because all this consolidation it has to run through. But if it's not short lived, the next candle, if we are gonna continue bearish, has to have a big body and close below this. And just as far as fundamentals, for a bearish scenario to happen, we would need bullish news for this news release coming out today. Get down. Get down, Sparky. Get down, Sparky. It's a bearish news for the USD, meaning a stronger dollar, is weak for the Australian dollar. So anything weak for them shows in a selling Australian USD. Vice versa, we get strong bullish news for Australian dollar. We should see a bullish market in which we trade. So, like I said, we need to see some strong bullish numbers coming out of the market for us to see a nice little bearish reaction. As if technicals will respect the fundamentals, which they never do 100%. So I just like to point that out to give us that extra confirmation if we're going to look towards selling the market or buying the market. And just based on the previous consolidation and how we pushed higher on the 1 hour and it's retesting back to old resistance. Me personally, I'm kind of more on the bullish side of things. And I would look to add to a position or maybe catch a position in this area where the price is at and put your stops below the low. Give it a little room to breathe because you know the market will test those lows and take you out. So the closer you get to the bottom for buys, looks like a good scenario for me. So let's see how strong that is. Let's look at the daily. I don't know. This market, it could tank. I've seen this happen. A wick up, and then we get a long, strong body bearish candle that could take out this low and this low. Or ultimately just coming to this 4 hour and this daily gap we got down. God, what the fuck this shit is? Must be out the daily. So that could be a scenario that push higher was the sell. Like I said, that this area was a good entry for sales. I was not at my laptop to catch that buy, take profit, and probably entering for sales. But in hindsight, looking at now, that was a good entry for sales. It will hold more weight once we get this daily close to close around 4 o'clock. But until then, look at the next 4 hours. And we didn't get an engulfing. We did reject this this area of interest from this gap created on the 4 hour. I would like for it to go at least up here before it rejected near this mid area, which is about like 67.30. So that could still be potential signs for targets that the market could be reaching from, or reaching to. From this 66.85 area, we could see a 67.30 price. So keep that in mind. If you're looking to catch an entry or add to your position, this could still be a bullish move. Like I said, we'll know once these candles start to close. We got an hour and 10 minutes on this 4 hour to close. I'm not saying that it's going to turn around and close bullish and shoot all the way up and take these highs out, but determining how this candle, because if it closed like it did right now, I still feel strong about buyers, because not only is that a good scenario for a bullish engulfing, but it's a weak 4 hour candle. It took 4 hours to develop this weak ass candle, so I would expect to see something with some momentum, some power that we can get into. Let's look at the 1 hour one more time. Let's see how it's going to close. Roughly got approaching the last 9 minutes of this close. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're gonna be right back. Take a little 7-minute break. Wait for this hourly candle to close. We'll be right back with that shit, man. All right. I gotta change this, man. Y'all gotta get my video good cut. Other videos. Get our video taken down. All that Talib, whatever that was, playing. Can't have all that. They'll be asking, "Are you on that? I'm on that one." Last minute. It's looking like we got engulfing. As the close below 66.90. We're roughly 2 pips away from that. Okay, so we did get that engulfing. Yeah. Got that engulfing right there. Let's see how the market reacts to that. 30 minutes left until news releases. No, I did not flip and take my sell. I'm still feeling strong about the bullish potential for the for this just being a a retracement. I see the potential for that move to be valid. So I'm not taking sales just yet. I'm on hour left for this 4-hour close. So. Yeah. Take a quick glance at the news that we do have that we do have been released. Bam. So basically these three that's coming out in about 25 minutes, as you can see. Like I said, we got durable goods orders. Then we have durable goods orders excluding defense. Durable goods orders excluding transportation. So we'll just look at looking at, I guess, goods and the orders of those goods month over month, excluding the orders of defense goods, what is ammunition or whatever the hell. And transportation is involving the shipment of those goods. So they want to see the numbers, excluding the transportation. Or really just excluding the data from transportation in general, and just looking at the number of how goods is consumed or utilized or used through a day-to-day basis that exclude the use of transportation or modern form of transportation like trains and trucks and shit. So kind of more made in America type shit, if you will. Let's look into So basically, the United States durable goods orders, new orders placed with producers for the supply of durable items that are expected to last at least 3 years are referred to as durable goods orders. New orders placed with producers for the supply of durable items. Carpet, maybe some clothes, tools. So the previous was 3.3. Consensus was -1. The actual was 1.1. So, of course, better than consensus was still way negative. It's like 2%, 2.1, 2.2. Let's get back to these charts. Okay, 20 minutes, 19 minutes left until the news releases. And I'm thinking we probably gonna wrap it up after this news release and see what kind of reaction we get off the markets. Mm, mm. What is you doing, Australian dollar? Just chilling. So look at some other situations. See if the dollar dropped any. I'm not sure. I just say. 0.24%. Oh yeah. And it moved by much. Silver down numbers. Boom, boom, boom. Gold spot. USD CAD. Euro, let's see. What's ETH doing? Some good buys right around here. 1700s. Start showing that wick rejection right there. Signs of reversal with a nice buy for ETH. Bitcoin, same scenario. Bitcoin needs to come back down under 29K, above 27K. that. A little cool on there right there. But yeah, guys, we are 12 minutes into the news release. 12 minutes until we have the news release. Let's watch how this falls on a smaller time frame. All you gotta do is be patient and just wait for it. Just gotta wait. It's not up for debate. Can't be late. Impulse. Oh no. Impulse candle. Break above that high. No. Struggle. No. Let's see, we got like 8 minutes. Yep, 8 minutes left for news to come out. And the markets. Yeah, I'm not expecting the markets to really have a strong reaction off of the news, but I do want to see if we're going to get a bullish push off of this. Ooh, look at that sell off. Didn't really do nothing, but still it did continue on. We're approaching these last few minutes. And you're gonna close. So they close below that low. Not significant, but still something we want to take note. So this should be the candle that potentially could start to move prior to news coming out. We have roughly 4 minutes and some change. And we will see what is to come of these durable goods. Birthday 6692. Baby. All right. We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. See the timer right here. Counting down. Let's see what this does. Minute and 30 seconds left. Let's see what we're gonna get, y'all. Remember, we want positive news. Currently, our consensus is -1. Our consensus is 0.5. Our consensus is -0.1. All right, y'all. 30 seconds. It is counting down. There we go. News is out. Market is reacting negatively. Oh, yeah. First signs of selling. Nonetheless, this is that old consolidation area. As you can see, we're back into that area. A little bit slightly higher, but back in that area. So, see how we respect it. If we're going to continue to push through to the lowest half of sales. Let's see what the news said, though. So we did get bullish news all across the board, which is good. So bullish news for the USD should mean selling. And that's what it was showing in line with that. The market reaching up into this area. I still don't feel like it's going to sell off. I feel like if it was, I don't know, I think it would have done it already. You know, even if it would have sold off down here, like right now, I don't feel sales. I don't feel like they're in my bones. All right, guys. We're going to continue to monitor this. It's going to be a lot of manipulation going on with this news release. Like we do have another one at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock Central. Okay. I think that's how it works. That news release is new home sales, which is important too. I really want to see what that news release is going to be. But we won't be here live to see it, but we'll try to keep each other updated throughout the afternoon at the releases and what kind of reaction we got from it. Well, yeah. I guess overall, if I look back at the 1 hour, that's what we had, the consolidation. Market broke out. So yeah, we'll like I said, I didn't get out of buys from yesterday after it broke out. I think it was I was driving Uber. I still feel strongly about the bulls, especially after breakout and the clean traffic we got over here to the left that we can potentially still feel. So let's see how this plays out. And with that being said, we're gonna be out, and we'll see y'all tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. I believe we have more news releases coming out tomorrow morning, so we'll be back to cover that. And like I said, if y'all want to get into the Telegram, hop in there and let us know. The group is growing slowly but surely, and it's we got a lot of knowledge going through that group. So y'all tap in. We'll see y'all tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Peace.